Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
क्वारंटाइन कोराय इन केस कोण बाहेर येल न्हू ताका 1 year imprisonment घालाय. If you want we will sign and give now. If we don't follow the rules, this is called protocol. If you want to follow protocol, okay, sign and give. We will sign and give you that we will be for 7 days, 14 days at home.
3 weeks to get this flight from Dubai. We send messages to all the current ruling government, but we don't get any response for the direct flight. There are more people stranded in UAE to come to Dubai, Goa, but nobody is taking care of them.
We have actually 3 groups of WhatsApp where we gathered all the people. We have no support from the Goa government to come here. We have got help from Valencia. We have Altaf. We have a team who's been working with the embassy, with the MEA to get people over here. And today we have got a first flight. We are not even allowed to go home. We don't know what is happening at the airport. There is nothing organized. People are coming and telling us to give the passports. They're not even touching our passports.
I go for home quarantine as per the MHA guidelines. Test me. If I'm negative, please send me for home quarantine. I have a home. You can come, send someone and inspect my house. I have a baby. I cannot stay alone with him in any hotel. I don't know your hotels are good, your hotels are bad. I don't know what category of your hotels are.
I came on this impression because it is 14 days home quarantine, and secondly they never informed. These tickets were also just like that 1 day before people, and quarantine amount is so high. Everybody should have money, right? It's not that we are coming from Dubai, that means we have a tree of money there when we are plucking and bringing it here.
भाई किधर से आते भाई?
किधर से आता है?
क्यों नहीं करेगा? क्यों वीडियो?
Take care also. If I get infection, who will take care of me?
Who will take care of the pregnant ladies?
This guy has.
They don't have food, nothing. This guy is telling, get your family members.
8-month pregnant
With the
lady
pregnant
there
lady.
crying inside.
Business, Poish Karma. From here to go, Kolwa, they asking 500.
आमकां कितें जाय जाणा फर्स्ट टेस्ट करा आनी दवरा पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्यार घेवन वचा नेगेटिव्ह जाल्यार आमकां घरा धाडा आमकडे पयशे ना आमी बेकार आहा
They are telling,
3 म्हयने आमी
ते
बेकार
म्हणटाय प्रेग्नंट वुमना हॉस्पिटलान धाडाय हॉटेलान धाडाय क्वॉरंटायना आनी हॉटेलान धाड उपरांत तुगे घरासून फॅमिली मेंबरां आपय ताका हेल्प करपा सो दॅट इज इन्क्रिजींग क्वॉरंटायन और डिक्रिजींग क्वॉरंटायन पयस भुरग्यांक तेंगे पोटांत भुरगे आहा कितें जाल्यार हूज रिस्पॉन्सिबल इज प्रमोद सावंत रिस्पॉन्सिबल बाय विश्वजीत राणेगे चेडू येयला ते कित्या क्वॉरंटायन ना दुसऱ्या मिनिस्टरागे येयला कित्या क्वॉरंटायन नाय फुली रुल्स फॉर दीस पुअर पीपल फॉर अस I have 2 stays. I have done operation for my heart surgery. I brought my wife here because she's pregnant. I can't take care. In aning fana podlo obro.
And on 25th May, the CM made a statement saying that if you have a COVID test, which is as per the ICMC, I have already taken the COVID test, and moreover, he said that all the pregnant women with the ladies, pregnant ladies, and with kids, they will be home quarantined directly. But right now, they are saying 7 days quarantine is mandatory.
हॉटेलाचे चार्जीस आनी कितें?
पयली गोष्ट म्हणल्यार मातशी चिंतात तुमी गोंयकारांक भायल्यान हाडल्यात बाबा तांचें कितें सिच्युएशन आसा कितें त्रास कितें प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज बाबा प्रेग्नेंट लेडी तुमी म्हणटा सोशल डिस्टन्सींग म्हणटात मातशें भितर पळयात कितें सोशल डिस्टन्सींग सगळे कडेन तुमकां पयशे जाय कशें जातलें पयशे ना म्हण आमी हांगा येतात आनी तुमी हांगा असले हांगा करपाक बसले कशें जातलें कितले हांगा लोक त्रास करता ते पळय भितर
कितले पयशे सांगले आनी कितें सांगलें तुमकां पयशे
सगळे कडेन पयशे हॉटेल बुकींग करपाक पयशे टेस्टाक पयशे बस ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनाक पयशे सगळे कडेन पयशे दोग फॅमिली आसा जाल्यार मिनिमम म्हाका 10,000 ते 15,000 कॅश जाय कॅशान जाय
18,000 पर हेड
पळय आयकात 18,000 म्हणटा
18,000 पर हेड
मागीर हॉटेलाक पयशे सगळे कडेन पयशेच पयशे